What's going on? It's Michael, co-founder of Ideal and creator of the Ideal Daily Success Book. Now, I'm excited to invite you today to claim a free group coaching session with myself or one of my coaches, or to sign up for some ongoing coaching to take you to the next level. Now, I sense your presence. You're walking the same path as I am, the path of striving, achieving, and contributing to seek greater abundance and joy, not just for yourself, but for your loved ones and for your team. You understand that transformation could be a journey that takes time, but having a guide or a coach and a supportive community can accelerate your progress significantly. With the right strategies, insight, and accountability, you can soar higher than ever before. There have been countless moments in my life where I've pushed forward on my own. I've delved into books, listened to audios, and enrolled in courses. I utilized tools, planners, journals, and everything in between. But amidst it all, I didn't sense that I was truly being propelled towards my fullest potential. And at a pivotal point in my life, I made a wise decision to seek guidance from a coach. I recognized the importance of having someone to engage with consistently. It wasn't about echoing what I learned or being interrogated about my actions. It was about aiding me in making wiser decisions for myself, my family, my career, and my life. They weren't expecting to possess all the answers, but they did know how to pose the right questions to uncover my authentic truth. They helped me navigate towards the next act of integrity and kept me motivated and centered, fostering resilience along the way. These are just a few of the invaluable benefits of working with a coach. Experience the transformative power of our elite level habit coaching challenge, a personalized program meticulously crafted in collaboration with a coach. Now, over the course of 12 sessions, you'll embark on a journey to gain clarity, deeper understandings of your energy, your productivity, and ultimately cultivate greater influence and purpose in your life. This coaching challenge is exclusive, it's tailored, and it's proprietary, offering you the opportunity to engage in 12 one-on-one sessions with one of our expert coaches. When you opt in for this option, your journey begins by signing up and then receiving a call from one of our members of our team. During this call, you'll have the opportunity to articulate your goals, your aspirations, and setting the stage for personalized coaching experience tailored to your unique needs. What are your aspirations? Are you seeking a male or a female coach? Are your goals centered around business or personal development? Regardless of your choice, our coaches will expertly navigate you through 12 sessions of high-performance habit coaching, elevating every aspect of your life. Today, you have the opportunity to decide your path. Maybe you're in a transitional phase, requiring your A game, or you're a perpetual striver, hungry for coaching, motivated, and accountability to reach your fullest potential. The choice is yours. You have an extraordinary amount of potential. At times, you require a guiding hand to fully unlock your potential. Today, I extend that invitation to you. We offer you to choose whether to explore our free option or join us immediately in the 12-week high-performance coaching challenge. Whichever path you select, remember, we're here to support you along your journey towards creating your ideal life. Every day presents an opportunity for growth. It's a daily reminder of strength and promise of a bright future ahead. And by taking action, investing into yourself, and embracing guidance, support, tools, and a community, you propel yourself to new heights. It's through these actions that you evolve. So take the first step today by selecting the button below. Your journey begins now.